Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up credit reports before buying insurance with Experian step by step clearly. To back up your credit reports before purchasing insurance with Experian, begin by visiting the Experian website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, select Sign Up to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. Navigate to the Credit Reports section from the main dashboard. Select Order your credit report to begin the process. You may be presented with options for viewing your report. Choose the one that suits your needs. Review your credit report thoroughly for accuracy and any potential issues. If you find discrepancies, note them down for further action. Once you've reviewed your report, look for the option to download or print it. Select Download to save a digital copy to your device. Choose a secure location on your computer or cloud storage to keep this document safe. If you prefer a physical copy, select Print and ensure your printer is connected and ready to use. Store the printed version in a safe place along with other important documents. After backing up your credit report, return to your dashboard. Finally, consider checking your report regularly to stay informed about your credit standing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.